Guys, I'm heading back to the UK. Yes guys, Cast here, and today we have got a new urban exploration video for you guys. I've been getting good feedback on these, so thank you for the support, I appreciate it. But yeah, today we are at a aeroplane graveyard. So yeah, we're gonna have a little explore, see what's going on. We've already seen one of these, you know, the shuttle buses, which is pretty cool. So this is one of the old shuttle buses that would have been in use. We've got a queue here. Come on.
This is definitely like an
Air shuttle bus. Yeah. So this would have been rammed with hundreds of people. Obviously not at once, but you know, over time. That's where the driver would have sat. Crazy. Let's have a look at this.
Yeah, check this.
This could have been like an old military vehicle, you never know. This is cool though.
Military look to it, isn't it?
Yeah. It does look militarily. Militarily. Is that even a word? No, it's not a word. Militarily. Militarily. I don't fucking know, mate. Militarily. But yeah, that is the aeroplane up here that we're about to go to. We'll go see what on. It says on Google Maps and ChatGPT that you need to beware of stray dogs. Now, if you guys don't know me, but I have done this before, but I wasn't on YouTube back then, so I thought I'd recreate it for YouTube. But apparently there's stray dogs here. I've not had any problems, no problems at all, guys. So don't worry about them when you come down here. But obviously, like who said, make sure you're respectful. But yeah. Oh. I think with urban exploration there are a lot of dangers, to be honest.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, you know,
you got unsafe structures, you can fall through floors, you got
so
still
much
water,
snakes, anything. I mean, if depending on what countries are, you're in spiders, you know.
Like these, smash the like button on these type of videos.
Because we're risking our lives. Yeah. We're risking our lives, guys. So last time I didn't get into the actual big plane up here, just because I didn't know also if the floor is giving way on there. I didn't see that late, but I didn't notice that late last time. This is the dodgy bridge.
It does look hella dodgy.
Why was there a plane here? Because it's not an airport. It wasn't an airport. So I do think, like, why is it here? Do you know what I mean? Who just dropped off a fucking massive plane, bro?
Look at the size of these wings.
Look at that, that's the actual intact one there. The intact plane. It's crazy. Obviously it's not intact flight, you could go and fucking, you know, set off. Because if it is, mate, I'm going straight over the Atlantic wall, mate. Bosh, you know what I mean? Ku's just on a wing right now. Come on. Technically, guys, if you bring your missus here, you can technically have sex on a plane. You know what I mean? It doesn't matter if it's not in the air.
Oh, look at this guy.
You know what I mean? Mad. Mental, innit?
Pick myself up there for you, chat.
Crazy.
The Thai Airway one as well.
Mental. That is mad, innit? Like, why is there just a fucking plane there? It literally says on that door as well, Chiang Mai. Some graffiti artists have been up there.
Thai Airway. Let's go straight in.
It's just the floorboards you got to be wary of. So Aku's going up. See, I didn't do that just because of the floorboards. I'm not too sure on it. So this is inside. Aku's driving. You ready to drive the plane?
Yeah, we're going back to UKG.
Oh no, I'm alright then. I'll hop off, bro.
That's okay.
Look at this though, boys. Come on. Coo is just literally... Coo, come out the window.
Let's go for a flight.
Jokes. Here's another shuttle bus. Oh man. Hot, lads. Hot. That is filled with shit. Mad. Mad. Whole thing's mad, isn't it? This is where you'd load the bags up, I'm sure. So that's where you'd load the bags, I'm pretty sure. Mad. But this is a proper Thai Airways plane, as you can see. Why has it just been abandoned here though? That's what I want to know. It's mental. If anyone can tell me in the comment section why this plane was abandoned, I'd love to know. HSTAM. That was the number of the plane. I'd also like to know when was the last time it flew. That'd be pretty cool. In fact, I'm going to go back on this when I'm editing this. I'm going to check it out on ChatGPT. So I might leave the description of why it was abandoned on the screen if I find it. If I don't find it, I don't find it. If I do find it, I do find it. But if you guys know, let me know in the comment section. I appreciate that, guys. I do like a little bit of history. That was one of the subjects in school that I didn't actually, you know, rebel in. I didn't mind. Do you know what I mean? History was definitely one of the ones, because I feel like you've got to know your history. I feel like you've got to know wagwan, what's what with what, do you know what I mean, and what's happened, or what is even currently happening. Even knowing about your present day, what is going on in the world, is a big thing, guys. You need to know that sort of thing. And I'm not saying go fucking read the newspaper every day or whatever, blah blah blah, because sometimes the media isn't always true. Whatever it says on there, it's not always the truth. So definitely be aware of what you're reading, and definitely just, you know, be observant, always double check your facts, that sort of thing, you know what I mean. But yeah, I'm just gonna have a quick fag and then I'll be re-vlogging the rest. Give me a minute. So I was hoping to kind of revive urban exploring a little bit, but we'll see. You know, it's all in due time, guys, all in due time. But that is absolutely amazing, isn't it? You know, you don't get abandoned aeroplane graveyards every day, so it's always a nice little trip. So if you are in Chiang Mai, Thailand, guys, make sure you get down here. And it's called Aeroplane Graveyard or something like that on Google. You'll be able to find it, or ChatGPT, it'll give you the coordinates or the address. That's exactly what I do. In fact, a lot of the time now, I ChatGPT everything. So if you can't find the address for an abandoned place, you can always you can always get the coordinates, basically. So that's a good thing. It's a really good experience, guys, like Aku said. So definitely get yourself down here, guys. It's worth the trip. It's only half an hour from central Chiang Mai, so get down here, guys, get down here. You won't regret it, you won't regret it. Anyway, guys, this is the abandoned plane graveyard in Thailand. I hope everyone enjoyed this. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, guys. And make sure you go over to my TikTok as well. It should be in my bio. Make sure you go follow that. We are so close to hitting 20k now, guys. So I really do appreciate it.
We're leaving now.
Have a good one.
It's quite hot out
Peace.
here.